Well, today I'm going to talk to you about how to properly replace the battery in a rechargeable torch you use at home. The first thing I do is remove the torch. It may vary from torch to torch, so you can try it out. If you remove the face of this torch like this, remove the nail here, and then do this on both sides, it will come off. Now let's remove the old battery. Then connect the red wire of the torch to the positive terminal of the new battery. In the same way, connect the negative terminal to the black wire. If you think the video is good, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when a new video is posted.